which still needs to be done. And I hope I can get a Model 2T from West Shore Services at some point. Yeah. Also, I sanded this piece down. Me and my dad sanded this. We'll get some WD-40 to clean the collector rings or slip rings and brushes. To sand that too. Gonna need to sand that part. We need to sand underneath that. Would like to get a new rotator belt. Speaking of which, I want to go to Youngstown, Ohio just to fix that thing. It's on a building. It's abandoned. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Move it. I think that's pretty cool. So you need to find out other. Oh yeah, that's the gad's right there. Also sand off this thing. Probably get a sticker printed out online. I mean, sure, it isn't perfect, but it's close enough. If you're wondering, why there's little holes here, it's from all that vibration. I'm pretty sure that's why the earlier Thunderbolt had gel bars on them. Yes, it's pretty cool. Kind of similar to that. I would like to get the 5/6 port, the 5/6 thing, and put it in the Model 2. So it's a 4/5 one with the 5/6 thing. I think that would sound really cool. Here's a 612. And yeah, taking on me, he's jealous. Also, if you're wondering, I did that. It's not that great of a job. Whatever. Maybe in 2027 when I have a car, maybe I could drive this thing to Siren Con. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, hope you guys agree.